Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately. Remove the case, SIM tray and any screen protector so you can inspect the glass edges and frame for pressure points. Once done, force restart the phone by holding power for 10 seconds to clear transient firmware glitches. Next, boot into safe mode to confirm if an app causes ghost touches. This isolates software from hardware. If ghosting stops in safe mode, you'll focus on uninstalling recent apps and updating problem apps before hardware fixes. Once you've ruled out basic causes, check for updates. Install the latest EMUI and app updates because firmware patches often fix ghost touch problems. Make sure to disable gestures, edge sensitivity, and any screen overlay options. These settings can misinterpret touch. If your build allows screen calibration, run it. If not, use display test apps briefly in safe mode. Then uninstall or disable recent apps that request overlay or accessibility permissions. Since those if software steps fail, back up your data and perform a factory reset to remove persistent firmware corruption. This is a last software resort. If ghost touch continues after reset, the cause is likely hardware. Inspect for lifted digitizer seams, pressure points, or water damage. Replace the screen assembly or digitizer through a reputable repair shop that matches the model. Cheap parts can worsen ghosting. If replacement doesn't help, have the technician check the battery and motherboard traces as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.